Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 453T build, converting it over to a silver series. And I did mention in the first part that I would be doing a PlastiGauge. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's a way of getting around miking the journals and the bearings separately and then working out their clearances. And all you have to do is you buy one of these. This one happens to be 0.001 to 3 thou clearance. So I'll cut a piece off and we're going to put it in the bearing widthways here, and then we're going to torque the bearing back down, pull the bearing cap off again and see what sort of clearance we have. I'll bring you back once I've put the PlastiGauge down. Okay, we cut a strip off, and I'll show you what it looks like on the crank. You can just see it there. Little green wire. And now we clamp down the main cap, torque it down, and then pull it back off. I'll bring it back when we've pulled it back off. And you can see that PlastiGauge there. And if we bring that up, it's right around 2 thousandths. Yeah, maybe 2.5 thousandths. So that's actually, the book says 1,000 to 4 thousandths of an inch clearance. So that's perfect. Okay, I'll bring you back for the final torque down. Okay guys, we're going to do the final torque. So step by step, you put the crank in, you snug these caps down, and then wrap them with a soft hammer to seat them, and then torque them down. I do 50 foot-pounds at a time, so 50, 100, and then the final torque is 130. So I've done it up to 100. I've set the torque bar to 130. So we're just going to do the final torque. And you work the inside out. And you kind of have to brace yourself because the engine stand will move. And then I just double check each one. So work from the center out. So there you have it. That's the crank installed and torqued down to the final torque setting of 130 foot-pounds. And the last thing I've got to do on this now is check the end play. So I'll set that up and bring it back. Okay, we've set the dial indicator on and we adjusted it back to 0. So the book says 4 to 16 thou for new bearings and new crank, and a maximum of 18 thou if you're using used bearings and crank. All right, now we set the crank as far as it'll go, zeroed it, and now we go the other way and see what sort of play we get. So we get 9 thou. So we have a 9 thou travel. Minimum of 4, maximum of 16. So we've got 9 thou, that's perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Showed you what the PlastiGauge was and then the final torquing of the crankshaft. So, and again, one last check. Make sure you can rotate it freely, and it rotates freely. So that's it for the crank. Now we have to put the liners in and connect the connecting rods, and that'll be another video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Take care.